If you love beer, you may want to listen to this. It's a big day for breweries in New York State. Starting today, they can start selling pints to their customers. WENY's Aisha McKenzie joins us live in the studio with that story. Aisha?
John, I visited two local breweries today, and both say under the New York Craft Act, business is expected to boom.
Come on in and get a pint of beer. We're happy to pour it.
Brewers can now fill the glass all the way to the top. Under the New York Craft Act, breweries can put the tasting cups to the side and now serve pints. And let's say customers have no complaints.
When you can get a pint of beer, it's nice because you can get what you like. You don't have to try all of the beers.
The requirements for New York beverage producers have scaled back. Under the new legislation, brewers can sell by the glass or bottle, but must have snack food available. And how does it feel to finally say you can have a pint now?
Oh, it's awesome. It's really nice. I don't want to be like a bar per se, but it's just nice people can come in after work and have a drink.
2 grants from the state totaling more than $3 million will be used to promote the New York's beverage industry and tourism under the new act. So brewers at both Horseheads Brewing and Birdland Brewery are expecting the future to be a successful one.
I think it's going to bring a lot of tourism here. We are on the Finger Lakes Beer Trail, and we do get people on the weekends from all over.
I was so busy today I couldn't keep up with the business. I'd have my assistant brewer come out and help me pour pints and flights and fill growlers, so I definitely will probably have to think about having 2 people behind the counter all the time instead of just the one.
And both brewery owners say because of this act, they plan to expand their businesses. Aisha McKenzie, WENY News.